My first sound is a click for a game menu button. This one. Very short. I found a sound on Free Sound first after searching. I wanted a click that was powerful but quick, and I used Audacity to edit out all the extra clicks and click being released from the original sound, and then I made it a little bit quieter. It was very short, so I didn't have that much to change. My second sound is a door creaking. This would be used as an eerie effect, as a door opens very slowly, maybe in a horror game. I found a sound to start with on Free Sound again, and then I clicked off the door closing. I made it louder, and I added the reverb effect in Audacity to give a feel of like a very empty room or hallway. I think it turned out pretty eerie. And my last sound was a cat sound effect. I like to imagine it being used in a cute, maybe point-and-click game, and maybe as an Easter egg if you click on it, interact with a cat that's just there for decoration. I found a very long cat sound I liked on Free Sound, and I took off most of the purring afterwards because I wanted to focus on the meow. And then I split it into two parts so I could lower the volume of the purr, but not the meow, because I wanted the meow to be sweet, but the purr to be very soft and barely noticeable afterwards. And that's all.